The Mid-State Foundation is all about student success and supporting the college to be the best for our communities. Through the generous donations of our donors, we have this facility to make the dreams of students come true.
I'd say the core mission of the foundation is to just provide as many opportunities for students in as many backgrounds as we possibly can. And I think some of those needs are just getting students in the door, getting them additional job training, and letting them, I guess, see what the world of education is really about.
I know of many students who come back, even after a 4-year degree or another 2-year degree, to reach their career, because the job market changes, the skill levels change significantly, and they need to retool. Through scholarships, we offer that student the opportunity to make a difference in their life for them and their families.
I think the foundation is in a great place right now to continue to evolve and expand and offer more services to students through things like additional community events and just by getting out there and learning what the students really need.
If you're looking for a change in your life or your occupation, I would encourage you to consider Mid-State Technical College. The resources are there through the foundation, through the staff and support at the college.